Have you been looking for a server that you can create your very own city in? Well, I got some good news for you. One Minecraft is a gray listed free build server where builders can build cities, countries, and much more. One of the many things that we build in One Minecraft are things such as, well, cities, obviously. We have many different types of build styles that like small towns, big cities, and some people decide to get really creative and go all out on new styles. Maybe you, the viewer, could become one of those unique styles that no one's really ever seen before. We encourage our members to be as creative as possible and let their creativity shine within their cities and their builds. Another thing that we build in One Minecraft is public transit. One of our biggest things in One Minecraft within public transit is rail. That's right, One Minecraft trains. If you like building trains, well, One Minecraft may just be for you. We also build airplanes in One Minecraft. No airplane exists without an airport to go with it. Well, yeah, kinda. Our planes do work, and they all go somewhere with warps and stuff, you know, and that's just how planes work. Yeah. Building and all is cool, but what if I want to role play in One Minecraft? Not an issue. As a staff member, head admin, big flex, I can say that our staff team enjoys role playing in One Minecraft. There are so many possibilities in role plays. We also have a plugin called Vehicles, which is really cool. It gives you the ability to have vehicles, like for example, cars. I am very, very good at driving cars. Never challenge me to a race. We also have airplanes. I am not very good at flying airplanes. You can challenge me to a race and you would probably win. I don't know the map that well, I'll be honest. Besides all that, we do host events, and we are open to our community hosting events. Our server has many events that happen every once in a while. Some events that I host are the One Minecraft Medal Ceremony, which will happen for the third time on January 3rd, 2024. Show up! Sorry. By tradition, it always happens on that day. I also host the server's birthday party, which everyone loves. Kind of going off on the side here, but One Minecraft is turning 7 this upcoming December 30th. Wow. Well, if you seem interested in becoming a member of One Minecraft, then please give it a shot. One Minecraft has been around for a while, and overall, our community is very nice. Give it a shot by going to the Discord server in the description. One Minecraft, where builders unite.